clean the carb out. In case I do get it running, I can ride it for a bit. I just had Ithaca Rec order in a filter for it, so hopefully I can get that this week. I don't even know what the filter looks like in this thing. I don't want to know what it looks like. I guarantee you it's just disintegrated. I'm just gonna lube them up and send it for a little bit until they need to be done. Fill up the tires with some air on both sides, so we should be good. This pipe could be in worse condition. I'm assuming a power core. Gonna check the coolant as well and drain that out and then refresh that.